Hello everyone, how are you doing? I trust you're good. Okay, I've got a super important yet actionable content for you today. So make sure to watch the video to the end for a complete value of this package. What you're about to watch is not just another video on AI, it is actually a documentary that I put together because something massive is actually happening around us. And most people are just sleepwalking through it, right? The AI revolution isn't just coming, it is already here with us and it's changing jobs, it's changing industries, education, even our daily lives. It is very fast, it is powerful, and above all, it is creating both challenges and opportunities. So in this short documentary, I'm going to walk you through how AI is actually affecting our world, what it means for you, and most importantly, how you can actually stay ahead of it and succeed notwithstanding. The best part of it is that this is for everyone: students, professionals, entrepreneurs, and of course young adults who don't want to be left behind. I hope this inspires you. So let's dive right in.
Imagine waking up tomorrow and realizing your job no longer exists. Not because of downsizing, not because of a recession, but because a machine, trained overnight, can now do it faster, cheaper, and better. This isn't science fiction. It's happening right now. The AI revolution isn't coming, it's already here, and it's rewriting the rules of every career, every business, every future. But here's the good news: you don't have to be left behind. In the next few minutes, I'll show you what's really happening, what's coming next, and how you can rise above it and thrive. Top CEOs are warning their teams, AI is not just replacing factory work, it's coming for white-collar jobs too. Amazon CEO Andy Jassy recently said AI will force major changes in how companies function. HSBC is exploring AI bots for back-office work. And research says up to 50% of entry-level white-collar roles may vanish in just 5 years. See what world tech experts, founders, and CEOs are saying. Dario Amodi, AI may eliminate 50% of entry-level white-collar jobs within the next 5 years. That was the stark warning from Dario Amodi, the CEO of AI startup Anthropic. We, as the producers of this technology, have a duty and an obligation to be honest about what is coming. I don't think this is on people's radar, Amodi told Axios in an interview published in May. He said he wanted to share his concerns to get the government and other AI companies to prepare the country for what's to come, adding that unemployment could spike to between 10% and 20% in the next 5 years. He said that entry-level jobs are especially at risk, adding that AI companies and the government need to stop sugarcoating the risks of mass job elimination in fields including technology, finance, law, and consulting. Jensen Huang, the CEO of chipmaker Nvidia, was withering when asked about Amodi's comments. "I pretty much disagree with almost everything he says," Huang said. "Amodi thinks AI is so scary, but only Anthropic should do it," he continued. An Anthropic spokesperson told BI that Amodi had never made that claim. "Do I think AI will change jobs? It will change everyone's, it's changed mine," Wang told reporters on the sidelines of Viva Tech in Paris in June. He also said that some roles would disappear, but said that AI could also unlock creative opportunities. Demis Hassabis, the co-founder of Google DeepMind, said in June that AI would create very valuable jobs and supercharge sort of technically savvy people who are at the forefront of using these technologies. He told London Tech Week attendees that humans were infinitely adaptable. He said he'd still recommend young people study STEM subjects, saying it was still important to understand fundamentals in areas including mathematics, physics, and computer science to understand how these systems are put together. Yann LeCun, Meta's chief AI scientist, wrote a short LinkedIn post just after Huang dismissed Amodi, saying, "I agree with Jensen and, like him, pretty much disagree with everything Dario says." LeCun has previously taken a more optimistic stance on AI's impact on jobs. Speaking at Nvidia's GTC conference in March, LeCun said that AI could replace people but challenged whether humans would allow that to happen. I mean basically our relationship with future AI systems, including superintelligence, is that we're going to be their boss, he said. Sam Altman: AI is for sure going to change a lot of jobs and totally take some jobs away, create a bunch of new ones, Altman said during a May episode of the Circuit podcast. The OpenAI CEO said that although people might be aware that AI can be better at some tasks, like programming or customer support, the world is not ready for humanoid robots. I don't think the world has really had the humanoid robots moment yet, he said, describing a scenario where people could encounter like 7 robots that walk past you on the street. It's gonna feel very sci-fi. And I don't think that's very far away from like a visceral, oh man, this is gonna do a lot of things that people used to do, he added. Speaking at the Snowflake Summit in June, Altman said AI agents are already acting like junior employees. Geoffrey Hinton said you would have to be a very skilled to have an AI-proof job. Geoffrey Hinton, the so-called godfather of AI, has said, for mundane intellectual labor, AI is just going to replace everybody, Hinton told the Diary of a CEO podcast in June. He flagged paralegals as at risk and said he'd be terrified if he worked in a call center. Hinton said that, eventually, the technology would get to be better than us at everything, but said some fields were safer, and that it would be a long time before it's as good at physical manipulation. So a good bet would be to be a plumber, he added. But here's the twist, while some jobs disappear, new ones are being born. And those who adapt fast are already seeing major rewards. PwC reports AI-skilled workers earn up to 56% more, and companies using AI are becoming up to 4x more productive. Opportunity is hidden inside the disruption. AI is fast replacing repetitive, predictable work, data entry, scheduling, report generation, admin support. Even legal research and accounting are seeing automation at scale. But here's what's rising instead: AI trainers, ethical advisors, prompt engineers, and creatives who use AI to scale themselves. AI is a tool, but the winners are those who learn to wield it with insight, ethics, and imagination. So, how do you stay relevant, or even lead, in this AI-powered world? 1. Learn the tools. Start with Python basics, prompt engineering, data literacy. Use free tools like IBM Skills Build or Google's AI courses. 2. Build projects, don't just watch tutorials. Create something, a chatbot, an AI-powered website, a video reel with an AI generator. 3. Develops power skills. AI can't replace emotional intelligence, storytelling, leadership, or human creativity. 4. Get certified. A Coursera, Microsoft, or IBM badge shows you're serious. No degree? No problem. 5. Join communities, Reddit forums, Discord groups, hackathons. The fastest learners are the most connected. No matter your age, this moment belongs to the self-starter. Teenager? Build a passion project with AI and share it online. Student? Master prompt engineering before you graduate. Professional? Apply AI to your current role, automate what you can, amplify what you love. Entrepreneur? Use AI to build lean, powerful brands that scale fast. The winners are not the smartest. They're the most adaptable. That makes sense, right? This is not the end of work. It's the evolution of it. And it's your chance to grow beyond what was ever possible before. So don't panic. Prepare. Don't freeze. Learn. Don't wait. Build. Action steps. 1. Take one AI course this week. 2. Join one creator AI community. 3. Start one small project, even if it's messy. Finally, if this documentary sparked something in you, drop a comment, tag a friend, and subscribe. Let's help each other rise together. Because the future doesn't belong to AI. It belongs to those who know how to use it wisely, and I think you're one of them.